Hey guys, Thomas here with Trackify. So I wanted to show you one place where you can dig into what your audience sizes would be or are if you are currently not able to see the audience size estimates for your custom audiences on Facebook. I'm here in Facebook Analytics, and you get there through the mega menu. You see Facebook Analytics is right here in Measure and Reports, right here, Analytics. And then you have to, when you get to Facebook Analytics, you have to select your pixel. There's a search box up here where you just type the name of your pixel, and then you get a list, and then you can select it. So now I've gone to the funnels place, because this is an easy way to set up a filter and figure out how many transactions or how many events of a certain type with certain parameters that are on the pixel, and you can zoom in for any time frame for that. So what I do is I just go to create funnel, and let's just say I wanted to examine my purchase events. You can see by default it's selected at last 28 days. Okay, so now here I'm just going to select my purchase events, and this is without any filtering. Okay, so this is all purchase events. This is like, you know, a demo thing, so there's not a lot of traction here or actual data, but you can see here this one event is showing it has 99 people in it. Okay, 99 people are on the purchase event with any kind of no filter, no special filter. Okay, so now if you want to put a special filter in, if you want to examine you know, how many purchase events you have in this time frame for a certain product ID or niche tag, you can just simply do this by editing the purchase event and refining it by parameter. You select the parameter here. If you want to filter a specific product ID, you just simply go to Content IDs, you pull down Contains here, and then you just type in your product ID here, and you can see there are several product IDs here that are already showing up, but you can basically, you know, select any of them or grab the product ID you want from the Shopify store. And so that is one way. And when you want to go by content name to get like our track tag there, you can see this is also working like that. So you could just type in cat, for example, and that in this particular case would then, when you apply it, filter out all the purchase events that have that particular tag on it, and you can see the 99 is now reduced down, filtered down to 6 people. You can also set this up to do more complicated filters, right? Just to kind of see how many events you might have if you set up a certain filter. So let's say we are going to go for the value. Where's the value here? That's interesting. The value isn't really there. So sum of USD values, maybe that might be an interesting thing. And we're just going to go for is greater than, let's just say 20. And let's see if we get something there. So there you can see you basically, so that's 87 out of 99 are greater than $20. You can experiment with that and see, you know, what kind of filter might be a meaningful custom audience of a higher value than what you normally do. So this is 19 people, and there you can see. So my point here is it shows you exactly how many people are on this audience, and you can extend this date range here to last 90 days and shorter, and so you basically can filter out. You see this is $30 purchases, over the $30 purchases. There are 81 people here now in the last 90-day time frame. And so this is one way to kind of examine the size of your custom audiences that are currently not available. So if you want to just kind of scan through this, just go into the Facebook Analytics and find the stuff here. I'm hoping that, of course, Facebook is going to bring this information back into the Audience Manager But in the meantime, this is a good way, a very accurate way actually, to find people. This is important here too. These are people, not just events. These are actual people, which is important because it shows you, how many people are going to be in this audience, not just how many events were fired. All right, hope this helps. I'll sign off now, and I'll talk to you soon.